The cryptocurrency world is a wild one, and it's something that changes with just about every week that passes, if not every single day. Mainly because it's a constantly shifting landscape where things that are popular one day sometimes stop being popular not too long after. And many are trying to build their own things in the world to get their own slice of the crypto pie. But while Bitcoin is dominating in some facets, it's Ethereum that has gotten a lot of people's attention. And many want to try and get some. Allow us to show you how to get free Ethereum. So, the big question here for you might just be, if Bitcoin is the most popular digital currency, why is Ethereum the thing that people are after? Some investors love Ethereum because its platform is evolving to adapt to the current needs. If you invest in Ether, you're betting on the future of its blockchain platform. Phil Bonello, Director of Research at Grayscale Investments, said, "Investors often look at Ethereum as a growth-type investment, making a bet on the continued development of the decentralized ecosystem built on Ethereum. Have you heard of NFTs? Of course you have. Beeple auctioned off his NFT art called Every Days, the first 5,000 days, for a mind-boggling $69 million. And where was that NFT hosted at? You guessed it. Ethereum is the blockchain that hosts NFTs like Beeple's arts. What's more, the record-setting NFT art was paid in Ether. NFT is just one example of Ethereum's unlimited possibilities. It allows users to trade in assets and borrow and lend money directly with one another without involving banks. Alex Adelman, the CEO of Lolly, described Ethereum. When people compare Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's a bit like comparing gold with electricity. They are both valuable, but have different uses. Ethereum is infrastructure. It is a blockchain that is in the early days, but has the potential to revolutionize finance and technology. The biggest drawback about Ether is that its currency relies on how prosperous Ethereum becomes. If the platform becomes unpopular, Ether's value can decline. That's not to say it will in a major way, but it could. But then again, you can say that about literally every single crypto out there. Growing value and trust. The interest in Ethereum technology has never been higher. Ethereum is the second largest public blockchain network by both market capitalization and daily trading volume. It has already undergone remarkable development in its young history and continues to grow steadily. In 2020, an average of $231 million in Ether was traded daily on spot exchanges. To start 2021, that number jumped to $2.7 billion. The interest has in part come from the acceleration of decentralized finance, DeFi, a concept that focuses on blockchains and smart contracts rather than traditional financial intermediaries. It has also come from Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, technology built on the top of Ethereum that is highly scalable and efficient, and sizable development with stablecoins, which are mostly anchored on the Ethereum network. As such, the excitement and interest around Ether shows signs of growing acceptance and an appreciation of decentralization, especially with some of the properties that it highlights as a whole. And because of that, you might want to go and get some Ethereum for free if possible. But how do you do that? Free Ethereum. If you would love to get your hands on Ethereum without enough money to invest in mining or buying it, you can try visiting websites on which Ethereum is, theoretically, flowing for free. These are called Ethereum Faucets, and they offer rewards in the form of tiny amounts of ETH in exchange for completing CAPTCHAs or interacting with numerous ads. The amount of ETH you will receive at the end of the day is actually too small to make a difference, even if you decide to go through repetitive mini tasks and aggressive ads. Many of these sites also have a minimum amount of Ether you need to earn before you actually receive it. Some of these sites ask you to turn off your ad blocking software and pose high cash out limits, so be careful when investing your time and resources. If you are drawn to the idea of getting free Ethereum, you are also free to try various mobile apps used for the same purpose. They can offer Ethereum with a simple push of a button, while the same currency is awarded to those who send or receive appropriate app codes to their friends. Other mobile apps revolve around games and lotteries. Are they worth it? The only real winners in the faucet game are the ones who run them, and even they probably don't make much money off of it. Speaking of you wouldn't make much either. Even if you stumbled into a legit faucet with immense rewards, you'd probably still make up to $1 an hour at most. Besides, if you still insist on finding out how to get Ethereum without any work or investment, be aware that you might expose yourself to various hackers and scammers. These can send you offers claiming that they will give you ETH for free, or in exchange for laughably small amounts of other cryptocurrencies. Do not fall for it, but rather expose the scammers on social networks and warn your friends. Even if you find Ethereum faucet sites which are legit, the amount of time you would spend on learning how to get free Ethereum is surely better spent on studying realistic methods to earn ETH using conventional methods. Ethereum airdrops. An airdrop is a blockchain project created to give out free tokens, literally. But why do blockchain projects give away free cryptocurrencies? It appears it is to create a community of fidelity by rewarding the loyalty of the users. There are two types. The first is when users hold the cryptocurrency at one point in time. They take a snapshot of the whole blockchain ledger to know who's holding and give away a relative amount of crypto compared to what they hold. The second type of airdrops is used to replace ICOs. In 2017, Google and Facebook banned cryptocurrency ads, especially initial coin offerings, ICOs. 1 year after, the ban was lifted for only the US and Japan countries. ICOs were used to launch crypto projects through ads, but because the ads have been banned from these social sites, people are paid money to spread the word. That means you don't have to hold any cryptocurrency to get some tokens. You just have to achieve the steps that airdrops require. For instance, follow them on Twitter. Where can you find airdrops? On the Remitano airdrop program. You may also use airdrop.io to see all the past, current, and future blockchain projects. Ethereum mining. Ethereum is the most important and profitable coin when it comes to mining. Mining Ethereum came by when the blockchain was launched in 2016. Today, crypto mining has seen a major resurgence, and a lot of it thanks to Ethereum. So, with the help of a PC, a wallet, and software, you can mine free Ethereum. Mining is a process carried out by miners, blockchain participants, which involves fact-checking transactions done within the network. The first miner to successfully complete the check of a new block earns free coins. The only thing is that mining calculations are complex and enormous, so it has to be done using a computer. The machine solves these numbers in the form of hashes. You might recall Bitcoin mining as being something that has divided people in terms of it being good for crypto, but bad for the environment. Something to consider when you try it for yourself. Ethereum buy and sell. Ethereum buy and sell also means trading the digital asset. You can purchase Ether and trade it for a higher value when the market favors you most. There is not much difference between trading ETH and other cryptocurrencies. You need to have coins, a wallet, and a platform to trade on. Create an account and wallet on a crypto trading website. Buy Ether from any trusted seller. Platforms typically protect both the buyer and seller to make sure none is cheated out of the deal. After the buy, you may want to hold the coins in your wallet for a period of time when the value will appreciate. If the set rate is good, you can sell back your Ether to another user. As you can see, there are many ways to go and make this something to go and use to your benefit. But as always, be cautious around how you go and handle Ethereum and how you try and get it. So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at Ethereum and how you can go and get some for yourself for free? Do you think that these methods are indeed the best ways about going and getting Ethereum? Do you feel that there's a lot going on in the crypto world to the point where even getting crypto for free is a risk in and of itself? Where do you land on the crypto world as a whole? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time on the channel.